All right, we're out here in Kirkland, Washington, taking a look at a Mitsubishi system. Do a little quick walkthrough of how we converted a gas furnace to a heat pump. So here's the outside unit. It's running, heating the house. This one has two heads on it. So we have the outdoor unit. We also have an air handler and a indoor floor unit. In addition, we have an ICM surge and line voltage monitor. That's why we're actually out here. It earlier tripped. It did its job. Utility power spiked. It turned off, and it protected the equipment. You see Kirkland, we're in the horse part of Kirkland, where it's kind of out in the sticks, and kind of something like this, there's a good chance that you could have a fault like this. There's a lot of trees. We're right by Bridle Trail State Park. So just take a listen to it running, super quiet. It's on the pad, rubber risers, doing a great job providing heating and cooling. So here's our indoor air handler. This is what replaced the gas furnace. What's here is an old 90% efficient unit, and it's now gone. And about the center of the garage, we have a branch box, and what this does is it takes the flow of piping from the outdoor unit and splits it off. That particular unit is not ported, so it has one of these, what we'll refer to as a branch box, spider box, which it redistributes the refrigerant and throughout the house. And this is where the metering devices are. This allows for the outdoor unit and the piping to be in just a different configuration. You can have two of these branch boxes and strategically place them on larger systems to reduce your pipe runs. So this is in the garage. We found a great location for it. Alright, we're inside in the addition, and this ductless head was put in the underserved room because the existing ductwork just didn't quite heat or cool this room well enough. This room was added later, and there was just some ducting placed in the garage to try and heat this room, but just didn't do the job. Now it's doing great, and yeah, super quiet, super warm, super cold.